Hi guys, this is Rohit and welcome to my channel Rohit Tiwari Blogs. I hope you are doing good and you are safe at their places. So guys, I'm here with my new video and today I'm gonna introduce to one of the very good persons I have come across in my life and one of the most dedicated person I have come across in my life. So I have a final year student who is doing bachelor's in management studies, quite new course. I think many of you would be hearing it for the first time. So let me take this opportunity to introduce to you Mr. Pawan Kumar, who is in his final year. Pawan,
Thank you so much. It's been my pleasure to come up in your YouTube
thank you so much for appearing in this video. And can you please introduce yourself to everybody?
Okay, so fine. This is Pawan Kumar, and I'm doing Bachelor's of Management Studies from Srinagar University, and it's been my final year. To be specifically, I'm specializing in operations and accounts. And anything else you want specifically to know?
So Pawan, actually I just want to know because I have seen commerce students getting very few opportunities in the market, right?
Yes,
So
true.
and hearing it BMS, this is something very new in the market. So I just wanted to know why did you appear for this course BMS, which was very new at that point of time in the market. So what made you like go for this course?
To be very honest, like most of the commerce student appears for the BCom initially, or they just think that there are two more opportunities: either go for the CA or go for the CS, company secretary and company accountant.
Right.
After appearing for the BCom, they think that it's just a degree course,
Right.
or either they go for the BBA.
Right.
So what is the problem with this BCom and this BBA especially? The problem is not with actually with BBA but BCom. It's like a general course, like whatever the BSc or anything courses which we are doing. So eventually the BCom is a bit general course. Like after you get just a graduation degree in that. But what is different in the BMS is that it is a multi-dimensional course. You have marketing in that, you have finance in that, you have HR in that, and apart from this, the co-curriculum of BMS makes it unique. You have social sector internship, you have corporate sector internship, so you get plenty of experience in this from the social sector as well and to that of the corporate sector as well.
So you
Talking-
want to just figure it out that there's a difference between general course and professional course, right?
Yes,
So-
yes. BMS is actually a professional course, and talking more about it, like BMS gives you exposure exactly to that of the placement.
That is my second question actually. So,
Okay.
what all opportunities you are getting as a part of curriculum of this course? Opportunities and as far as the exposure is concerned, I must talk about exposure. What exposure you are getting until what extent you are getting at BMS?
Talking about the exposures or the opportunities, I think it's been a phenomenal course. What is the just I want to pitch in one more point comparing the BBA and the BMS.
Yeah.
BBA is Bachelor's of Business Studies, means it is more oriented towards the business, whereas it is management. Management is a part of business, so like it is more whatever it's more wider in comparison to that of the BBA.
So it has a lot of variety to provide.
Yes.
As far as
Yeah, definitely.
individual progress or individual development is concerned, right?
A lot of scope is there for individuals to sign their skills, and it's a great opportunity.
Right.
Or the opportunity, if you talk about the future opportunities from the BMS, a lot of guys are interested into the finance, a lot of guys are interested into HR, a lot of guys are interested in marketing. So the firms like Future First, it's a great opportunity for the finance guy.
Right.
And talking about the consulting, since you have the experience of, you had mostly all the courses in the BMS consist of the projects.
Right.
So you get a plenty of experience working in the teams. You get plenty of experience working with various projects.
Right. Right.
You sort of whatever say like
You get to learn a lot
get
of
a lot
things.
of learning, and
Yeah.
you get a experience of being a consultant. So if you are interested to go into the field of the consultancy, so there are a lot of companies like Bain and Company or McKinsey and Company, BCG. So a lot of scope is open for them.
So you want to say that you learn by doing, like, right? So you get a lot of project work.
definitely.
So you
There
do
is a-
project work and you learn a lot of things, right?
Definitely.
The
there
other
is-
thing you were telling about specialization to me. So can you just tell the viewers about specialization, what specialization means, and what exactly you learn out of specialization?
Say for example, if you say I have just BBA or I have done commerce, then it means you have done all the everything. So you are not specialized or sort of become an expert in a particular field. But when you say that I am expert or I am specialized in finance, I am specialized in HR, I am specialized in, say for example, marketing,
Right.
then the firms especially see you like this individual has particular potential. They generally don't look at a guy who is having a commerce skills or general skills. They look at the specific skills.
Right.
So I think you became a great potential for the company.
Right.
Apart from this, the BMS curriculum has CCC and UWE. So you are not actually getting the opportunity in the field of HR and marketing. Instead, you have the opportunities in all the departments, mechanical, electrical, biology, every department you have the opportunity. So you are not learning just business things. Instead, you gain an opportunity to learn in various other departments as well.
So that is a kind of, you are talking about the professional development and individual development taking place in one's personality. So that is very important when you enter into corporate sector, because that is what company looks at. So I think that is very important. And the other thing I want to
In holistic word, I want to say this phrase that it helps in the holistic development of an
yeah,
individual.
that's great. That's the best point you have mentioned. I think holistic development is the need of the hour and what company look for. So I thank Pawan for appearing for this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you would like this video and you would definitely like it. And you can share, you can do comment if you want to learn, or if you want to know about other courses which are very new in the market which you have not heard. So I would be happy to take some people out on my show and get to share things out with you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's been my pleasure. And definitely reach out to us if you have any specific queries in the field.